Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to build a Rust pipeline using your CSV file or APIs. For example, I'm using my CSV file which is over here. In this there are several types of columns like ID, age, gender, income, membership years, purchase frequency, preferred category, last purchase amount. These are the categories I'm gonna use, and with this, I'm gonna provide a Rust code to insert the data into PostgreSQL, in which I'm gonna store my data, which is run, which is executed the data, and from there I'm gonna connect the PostgreSQL to my Tableau and do my visualizations using the data. So first, I'm gonna open my code. This is my first ingestion part where I have used polars and anyhow, which is used to read the data and read the CSV file. Here I'm using the CSV file for that, and with this I have the test cases which is going to test the code whether it is running or not. As you can see, the output is running. We have to wait for some time whether it's going to do or not. So. hmm. As you can see, the test is running and it is successfully executed the first ignition part of the code. And next, we are going to move into the analysis part where it is known as for transformation the data. This is the analysis part where our basic statistics is to provide the mean and minimum, where you can transform the data without seeing by minimum and maximum of the rate, like standard deviation. Here it is my code for that. As you can see, if we can check with the unit test cases whether the code is working or not. I just clicking on the run test. See, as you can see, it's running and we just passed the test and it's succeeded. The next part is our storage. Mm. The next part is storage.rs. Here, now we can see the pool. We have the main features are pool, and you have polars and the result. Here I have used my some SQL statements like create table. If it exists, it will run the create table and it will reflect you an error. If doesn't exist a table, then it will create a table of your Excel, and then they'll insert the query of that. Then it will increase the table and extract the data from the data frame, as you can see, and that. Then the main node is. This is the main thing where everything is gonna run by using this small injection. Everything is over there. Over here, you can see the sync, the print index data, everything which is run over in that it will come over. It will print everything. It will print each and every output of that. Let's see. Now I'm gonna build my cargo. Cargo build. Yeah, as you can see, it has. Okay, so let's do for cargo run. First one, for cargo run. Yeah, cargo run is the first one. So you can see it's going, and the pipeline is completely successful, and it is created. Now we are gonna go to PostgreSQL, which is this one. Here, I already connected my server. I already did that just now, and now I'm gonna do this select stuff later. Where this is the SQL query which I'm gonna run. As of now, there is nothing over here. When I'll run it, you can see all the query, all the SQL CSV file is being transported here. From here, I'm gonna transfer the data to my Tableau. I wanna insert the data from Tableau. So I'm gonna open my Tableau. As I already did the Tableau thing, I'm just gonna show you how to do that. So first you have to take a new file and new, and just open it, connect the data. Here you can see PostgreSQL. You can press on that. Here you have to enter your server. That is 127.0.0.0 0 point and 1 and use database. And what is your database? My database is customer DB, and my username is post GRE, and my password is also there. And then you have to press sign in. As I already did thing, here is the thing. I already did that, so I got this. Everything loaded into my category where I did this thing, did my visualization using gender, where my gender is back into columns, where it went over here, and I prefer to category. In the preferred category, I typed into columns and the rows into my sum. And my preferred in the color, so which I can see the general color for that. This cluster bar actually represent the total income figure of various product categories produced by the female and male. All the pairs of bars are related to same product type, like how one bar is referring to one and is gender. This one enables the viewer to compare. You can compare the income earned by the male and female. So the next sheet we are gonna see is here. This is histogram line chart where aspect present the share of customers by the age and the corresponding income and the actual count of people bargaining. I mean belonging. Count belonging to specific age group is differentiated by the left side. See on the left side, it's differentiated, and on the right hand side, vertical axis through the use of like graph. And the next graph we are gonna see is the metrics type is stacked bar. Gender-based metrics comparison. This is the comparison of the metrics where we can see the membership year spending score and purchase frequency for the gender types like for female and male and the other categories. Every bar is split to denote the proportion that each metric makes within each gender group's total. As you can see over here and here. And my next sheet is pie chart. This pie chart presents a potential customer's income range, like for male and female and the others, allocated to each of percentage of the total income data set. And the next one is the overall thing from where the bubble chart is tab income of total purchases. Like for example, sports there are many like 18,000. Sorry, 18 lakhs 300. 1 crore 83 lakhs, which is a who's scoring the sports. In the clothing sector, as 1 crore 50 lakhs, 51 lakhs, 1 crore 91 lakhs. Yeah, see. So by seeing this, we can categorize the large bubble show the company large volumes of the products. Yeah. So like this, in my project.